I need to make adapter from this to this. I'm not sure how to do it, but I will figure it out. I just figured it out. I can put here a copper wire and then solder it to the center point here, and then this side just to the negative. That's it. So I put the copper wire in the Dremel, not the Dremel, drill, and I put it in sandpaper and then against this one, so it comes like a pointy, like sharp here, so I can put the screw in here and it will hold. I needed to make a point, like not point, but yeah, I clipped it off the end and made this flat space for the screw so it wasn't going in before. Now let's see what happens. Well, it kind of worked. Yeah, it's pretty firm inside. That's good. Note to myself, it will not work, so I will solder this together. That's what I will do. I don't know, I think I will do it with this because that did not work at all. I was trying, but this is too cheap of a connector to work. Too cheap, I mean there is no threads, there's no nothing. It's just on hopes, on dreams, so I will try to do it with the coaxial. Like good coaxial. This is one of the best coaxials that I have. It's all copper. It's not aluminium, copper plated or whatever. And look how it's covering everything. It's really, really good one. But it doesn't matter for this one. It's just that I have this laying around, so I'm using this. Well, I just soldered it because I didn't see any other chance here. It was too bad. There was no screw mounts here, nothing. Like the, what is it called? I don't know. In English. Sorry, this is not my language. Not my first, not my second language. So yeah, it's my third language. So sorry. But yeah, I just soldered it all in. Turns out this is copper. And this is also, as I told, copper. So hopefully this will work. Now I will put together and show you what it looks like. Then I will need to cut it off and put the SMA on. This is how it fits on this side. I will need to do it again because this, I don't like it. I thought I will be able to push it up, but I am not. Maybe I can use shrink too, but yeah, there's a big I need to cut it off here and do it again, but it's okay. It will be great looking. So yeah, now I did it again. Now this is straight up here. I soldered up the grounding, like the earth here, minus or whatever you want to call it. So it's soldered in one place, but I don't even need to solder it because it will be snap on here. I just need to place this here, and then I need to put the thing here. With the one hand it's hard, but I will try to do my best. So that's good. So now I need to put the SMA here, considering that I will be needing to service this wire at some point, so I will need to cut here or here. Well, let's see. Okay, I made this, but this is for life. This will not come apart anymore because I soldered it all together. I did it all like not from the books, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't care about this part. I care about it working. Now I will test it. So this is done. I super glued it all in from this side with the soda, and from this side also with the soda. So it's done. So I checked it all in. It's all good. Now let's go to the SMA stage. Now I opened up the other side. Now I need to figure out how to put the SMA there as beautiful as it can be. I wish that this to be inside here, but that will never happen. I mean, I could do it, but yeah, that would be cool, but a little bit of a movement will not hurt anybody. So this is how I connected. Oops, it fell from the soldering array here, and I pushed it into the matter there. So I will fill it in with soda and super glue or silicone, but before that I need to put the rubber, like melt rubber, onto the center pin, and then I will solder these two ears to these points too, and then I will put shrink wrap onto it, and that will be the connector. So this is how I made it until now. I did not put anything inside there right now, but there's 3 points where it holds off, but I will fill it up with silicone. I will straight it up and fill it up with silicone, and then with the shrink tube, and that's it. And this I screwed in just so it holds up and doesn't wiggle around. So this is how I made it. The center doesn't touch the ground, so it's all good. I will clear up all the small wires there, and I'll be good. So this is how it looks now. That's all just glue, and I put plastic over it as usual. You do this, and then I put it against something like here, and I roll around and press it so it goes into the form as it is now. Now I need to do something stronger, and then a shrink tube, and that's it. Okay, now everything is with a silicone here, as you can see, and I will leave it for that like 24 hours, and this is a shrink tube that I will put on right now. Maybe I could try to show you guys. I don't know how that will work. So yeah, basically, sorry for my mess. This is like 100 times storage unit and stuff like that. Okay, let's put it on. Nagging somewhere. Sorry. I was thinking about super glue, but nah, I don't need super glue, and I can't go back now because if I will go back, this will not work anymore. So now I need just to shrink it with fire torch. I will use a small torch here. Maybe, no, I will use the big one. So it should work now. This, I don't wanna, god damn it, it's so hard to film and do stuff. That's just crazy. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my god. I thought that it stopped because, yeah, the battery is low because I was filming all this time. It's 15%. Okay, that looks pretty good. And it didn't shrink as shrink do because there's a lot of silicone underneath, and I can press it this side, but it's not coming out. Maybe because I heated it, I really don't know. It's not like air is there, so it doesn't work like it's with the air. I don't know if I'm doing this right because I have never done this like this before. So yeah, if you will see me using this adapter in the future videos, you will know that it worked. So I can now do this, and this is the whole thing that I was making. Now I just need to wait until the silicone cures, and that's it. This is what I was after. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you to see you next time. Sorry that I filmed in the portrait, really. I'm so sorry. I didn't think about it. I thought it will be short, but it's not. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you, and bye bye.